Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum and thank you for watching this video. Today I will show you how to clean a concrete bird bath. We want to clean the bird bath so that the birds can access fresh water for drinking and bathing. You can see the heavy staining on our bird bath, that's from last season. Let's get started. Firstly, I'm cleaning it with a scrubbing brush and water. I'm trying to remove as much dirt as I can without using any chemical. Secondly, I'm using liquid bleach to clean the bird bath. You can use any liquid bleach you want. This is the brand that we have at home. But please note that I'm not directly adding the liquid bleach to the bird bath. I'm adding it to some water to make a dilute solution. I will let it sit for a couple of minutes and then rinse it thoroughly. Finally, I'm cleaning the bird bath thoroughly to ensure the bird bath is free of any chemical residues. It took me almost 7 minutes to do the cleaning, but it was worth it. Now it's looking almost like new.